Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope everyone is doing great. Thank you for joining me once again for another CVS haul video. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and I also like to have you as a part of this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. I always upload a CVS deals video early Sunday morning. In case you need more deals, make sure you check it out. And let's go see what deals we can find. The first deal I'll pick up will be on the Conair hair appliances. Some of them on sale for $20 and you get $10 back, and others on sale for $10 and you get $5 back. But I'll be picking up one of the $20 ones. That means I'll get $10 back, making it just $10. But I have a 10 off 70 next purchase CRT that I'll be adding to this deal. The next deal I'll pick up will be on the Lysol products. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $2 back. I will be picking up the laundry sanitizer, priced at $10.29, and that will be the full price. And the second item I'll add to this will be the Lysol wipes, the 35 counts, priced at $5.99, and that will be the half off. These two items are going to total $13.29, and I'll be doing this deal all digital because for the wipes we have a $1 coupon. The laundry sanitizer we have a $3 digital coupon that will apply to it as well. After the two coupons are applied, it's going to drop it down to $9.29. I will pay that and get $2 back. And I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I will get $1.25 back for the laundry sanitizer and a 75 cents back for the Lysol wipes. I will be completing one of the bonus. That means I'll get $1 back more, making these two items just $4.29 or $2.15 each. The next deal I have is buy two Aveeno or Neutrogena facial care, you get $6 back, and it's a limit of one. I'll be picking up two of the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Facial Cleanser, priced at $8.99, and these two items are going to total $17.98. We have a $2 coupon in our app that is going to apply to this and drop it down to $15.98. I will pay that and get $6 back. Check your Ibotta because we have a $3 back, a limit of one, and that will end up making these two products $6.98 or $3.49 each. The last deal I'll add to this transaction will be the spend $20 get $10 back on Aveeno or Neutrogena body care, and I'll be picking up two of the Aveeno body scrub, priced at $10.49 each. And these two items are going to total $20.98. I don't have any coupon for this. That means I'll be paying the $20.98 and I'll get $10 back. But if you have a percentage of CRT and you're doing this deal by itself, this would be a good deal to use the percentage of CRT. And this qualifies for the Activate reward for spend $20 get $5 back. But since I'm doing this deal with the Aveeno facial care, I'm able to get to $30. Then I'll submit my receipt and I'll get $10 back for spending $30. And that will make this even cheaper. These are all the items I'll be picking up with the 10 off 70 next purchase CRT. And the total is $72.25. I'm not using any paper coupon or digital. And let's go see how this will work out. This transaction worked out very well. You can see all the items I picked up, and my coupons are applied as I explained. The Aveeno and the two Lysol digital coupon all came off, and I used the 10 off 70 next purchase CRT, and I used $45 extra care box to pay for this deal, paid $8.94 plus tax out of pocket, and I got back my $10 for buying two of the Aveeno body scrub, got back $6 for buying two of the Aveeno facial care, and a $2 back for buying two of the Lysol products, and also $10 back for buying the Conair hair appliance. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $3 for the Aveeno facial care, and a $1.25 back for the laundry sanitizer, and a 75 cents back for the Lysol wipes. And I also received an extra $1 for completing the Lysol deal. And I will also submit this receipt to Activate reward for a $10 back for spending $30. After the rebates, this whole transaction ended up costing me just $15.25 or $2.14 each. The next deal I'll pick up will be on Colgate toothpaste. The Colgate Optic White Stain Fighter is part of the buy two get $4 back, and it's a limit of two, but I'll be doing this deal once. I'll be picking up two, priced at $5.19, and these two items are going to total $10.38. I have these 3 of 10 Colgate Optic White CRT that can apply to the toothpaste, toothbrush or mouthwash, and we all received a 5 off 2 digital coupon. After the CRT and the coupon, it's going to drop it down to $2.38. I'll pay that and I'll get $4 back, making both items free and a $1.62 money maker. I did this deal by itself and the 5 off 2 came off. The 3 off 10 applied as well. I have this $2 off your next purchase CRT I got in my app that I used with this deal. I ended up paying just 38 cents out of pocket plus tax, and I got a $4 back. And since I used the $2 to help with this deal, it even made this deal a bigger money maker. That means these two items are free and a $3.62 money maker. Thank you all for watching my video and joining me once again, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.